Here's your video, eh? Your video? I'll have to stop it. Oh my god. You're a star now, aren't you? Don't go near him again, okay? He's still here. The dinosaur's here. Now, Affiedon, tell me what you think of the dinosaur video. Reactions? It's just a plastic animal, isn't it? Oh god. Say goodbye. Bye-bye, Dino. Bye-bye, darling. Bye. Oh god, Affiedon, you're a star. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Where's that reaction talking to that dinosaur? We can't control you anymore. You're an animal. He's an animal. Big, dangerous animal. What do you think about it? You playing with it? What about the dinosaur? What do you reckon about the dinosaur? You think you're going to be a star? Can you talk to the dinosaur again? Do you want to go back to the dinosaur tomorrow? What do you reckon? Right, this is awesome. I'm loving it. I am loving it. You're a star. Can we watch it again? They're beautiful. There you are. No. Reaction. Oh, I have to leave. We have to go. This is awesome. Stop barking at it, please, Affiedon. You know you're wrong. No, I just want to do it more. It's a good video. You've just done the best video you could ever do, sweetheart. You are so good at YouTube. You reckon you'll be a star? Can we upload this? Yeah? You're actually a good star now, aren't you? Yes, you're a world-renowned smiling star. You're going to go viral tomorrow after this video. I know, you're a star now, look at you. Love you, sweetheart. I'm glad you're right and didn't hurt yourself in this video. Diprotodon. The caravan's standing tomorrow, mate. You're going to rip down that bloody dino tomorrow. We have to leave it. We'll be back tomorrow. What do you reckon? Leaving the dinosaur? We have to go back, don't we? A better video. Daylight video would be better. What do you reckon? You gonna be a star? I bet you are, sweetheart. Yeah. Oh, you're such a good girl. I love you so much. Affie. Oh, say goodnight to the dino. More videos to come. Diprotodon, good night. Say good night. No, Dipro. She'll be back tomorrow. More Diprotodon tomorrow, huh? That's a very good reaction. That's it, yes, the dinosaur. He's still getting possessed with it. This is so good. Yes, you would never know it. And you're a star now. Aren't you lucky? You're a YouTube star. Well, Affiedon, you're a good dinosaur actress. Oh, bless you. Beautiful girl. So loved. Yeah, my God, it's talking. I really had enough of my hands sore. Good girl. Thank you, man. I want to watch it again. What do you reckon? Let's watch it again? Let's watch it from front to back. Ah, don't get... Oh my God. Oh no, she didn't want to go. I know, because you're possessed by it, aren't you? You didn't want to go back? Or... What do you think, talking dog? Let's talk to me. Hang on, wait a minute. The stars of a lion, let's talk together. No, let's do it again. Hello, Diprotodon. Oh, Diprotodon, here we are. Where's your reaction? She was always expecting great things. Stars in the sky. Goody girl. Don't be too worried about it, because you're going to go viral. Now just bark at it a bit. Yeah, like that, don't you? Oh. In heaven, it smiles. Good girl. Oh. Hello, Affie. The Diprotodon. Going to Dinosaur tomorrow? And shake hands? Yeah. I know you are. Now you're going to talk to me? About the dinosaur that you saw today? Wow, Affie. Wait, look. Video. Who's this one? Oh. Dinosaur star. Very tired now, aren't you? You going to Dinosaur today? I did tell you not to, but you did it anyway. Yeah. You got a big day tomorrow. Good night. Oh, I'm going to bed now. Oh, sweetheart. Good girl. Going to bed. More Dinosaur tomorrow. Oh, you're a lovely thing. Watch the dinosaur. I'll keep you safe from it tonight. Sweet dreams. You'll be absolutely terrified tonight.
Poor Dino, he's hungry. He says raw.
He's very hungry.
He's missed you.
Back to the dinosaur. Good night, sweetheart.